Hey everybody, this is Mike from Door and Lock Tips, and we got a real good one today. I'm going to pick through a lock that hasn't been opened in probably, what would you say, Nona?
I don't know. It's
80 years?
They added an extra door so they don't even use this one anymore. It's boarded up and behind it.
Yeah, so it's boarded up behind it.
So
and
who knows?
I don't know. I'm going to say 60 years, maybe. So this lock has not been opened in 60 years. We're just going to say 60 because I'm going to tell you it's an oldie. So I'm going to try to pick through this thing. I don't know where the key is. And look at it, it's upside down. This is a common mistake in an application when someone's just doing it from, let's say, you've never done a lock before. So now I have to stick my pick. I have two applications of picks. We're going to use a Lishi today. But I have the Lishi in the left and the right. But if I use it in the upside down position, I have to use the left to be able to see it. And it's really cool to have both, because the reality is you never know when brick or block's in your way, and you never know when they're going to put it upside down. So I have both applications, the left and right. So let's try the left in this particular time. So we're going to spray it with some Tri-Flow. So we got the Tri-Flow. Love this stuff, and it should cut through any kind of crud. I've already sprayed once, but you can never get enough of this stuff on there. All right, let's get around the cylinder too, where she's going to spin.
Do you need a rag?
All right, yeah, I kind of need a rag. All right, so I'm going to push this little Lishi in here. Now remember, this is probably 80 years, 60 years. No one's ever been in this door. I can't wait to open it. I'm going to clean all the glass too before I leave, so everything looks cool. So I'm going to put some tension on this. Here's the tension rod. And I have to pick upside down. So let's just try it. So we're going to try on the fifth chamber first. I'm going to go nothing on 5. Nothing on 4. All these pins are probably jammed. Number 3 is tight. I got to click on 2. Now remember, this is the first time in probably 60 years. Got to click on 1. Nothing. Nothing on 4. 3 is tight. Yeah, we're gonna stick it in and out a few times. I've got to get these pins to start moving. So let's spray that with some Tri-Flow one more time. The main thing is the pins are upside down. See?
There's a rag.
So here we're gonna
You need it.
we're gonna spray it. All right, there we go. We're gonna clean all this stuff up. There we go. All right, I have my assistant today.
Your wife.
Yes, exactly. And she's going to pick through this bad boy too, but it'll be a picking contest. So here we're going to go on number 5. There's nothing on 5. So let's just see if 5's springy. Yeah, good. So that pin's moving. And let's just get some tension to it now. First, you really do want to just test the pins out. See if they're all kind of springy. Okay, good. They're all kind of springy. That first pin usually is a troublesome pin because it's to the weather all the time. Yeah, it is. It's stuck. So let's start over. Now we're going to put some tension, light tension to it. Got 1 on 5, 1 on 4. We got to click on 3. 3 was stuck. Get this right on 2. That's stuck. We're in.
Ooh,
Oh, okay.
that was
Folks,
quick.
we're in.
That was quick. heck?
Look at that. We're in. We're in. This hasn't been opened. We're going to open the vault now. Oh, this is good. Let's see if I can get it to open.
Well,
Oh, I just relocked it. We're going to have to pick through it again. We're going to try it the other way. Got to click on 5. 4. Oh, we're in. There may be only 3 pins in this.
might be a lock
Oh,
on
look
that
at here.
one.
Oh, look at here. We're in. All right, this is how many years? 60 years. I can't wait to open this bad boy. Uh-oh. They may have it roped off or something.
There might be a latch up at the top too, Mike, on the inside.
Oh, you know what?
Because it's not
There
moving
might
out.
be a latch in this door.
Up at the top.
Oh, no. I wanted to pull this lock apart.
Maybe. I think there is.
Oh, there is a latch.
Yeah, I see something up
Well,
there.
wait a minute. It might be painted.
No, Mike, I think there's something up there.
Okay.
Look up through that glass right there. You'll see something.
No. Oh, that's a drape. All right, so we're in, but we're not in. It looks like the threshold is nailed too. I'm going to do some brute force entry and we'll come back.
Well, at least you know it's open.
Yeah, it's open. Okay, now this is the second time in history my wife's picked a lock. And the door is at least 80 years old. I just got through it, so I know I loosened the pins up for her, which is how you have to really do it. You have to loosen the pin. You're just going to spend some time doing this.
Starting on 5.
Did you get a click?
I think they did.
Okay, good.
Nothing on 4.
Yep.
Nothing on 3. Nothing on 2. Click on
Oh,
1.
I think you're in. Oh, look at there. She got in. Okay, second time in history, she got through this lock in less than 20 seconds. And we are so happy to see this. Hooray for you, Nona. Give it the high five. Give it the one high five here. No, over here. There you go. Oh, okay, she's getting there. All right, we're going to have more videos like this. Keep coming back. This is Mike from Door and Lock Tips. My wife got through the door. Proof positive, if you've got a Lishi pick and you've got a Kwikset lock, you can get right through it. I think less than 20 seconds. Keep coming back for more door and lock tips. Thank you.